almost fell now. Okay, let's go up there. Guys, so now we just came back from the bathroom over there. We can see, and somehow we have just found out that we'll be in this train for a whole hour. Let me see if I can just find it. 1 hour 45 minutes. 1 hour 45 minutes. That's the cameras. Inside the train. Have to hold on because it might fall. Guys, we have arrived. Here we are, but we're going to take another train. Just have to wait for it. Now we're trying to put the cases nicely. Why are you going with that one now? Eva doesn't know a paint is showing. Okay, I'm getting really thirsty, so here. Where did my bottle go? I think they have it with them. Yeah, they have it. Now, guys, we're going to the bathroom. We're just waiting for this other train to come. Trying to buy some other tickets. Yeah. Don't tell me. Yo. Unfortunately, you have to pay €1 for the bathroom. But we got an idea. Okay, guys, now we're going back inside. No, it's not here. Okay, now we're following our dad. Guys, right now we're in the train. Here we are. So, train. This is a big field. We were passing there. Where the yellow flowers were. We're going to arrive at 19, so we're gonna stay in this for 2 hours. Yeah? We're going to arrive at 7 p.m. We're gonna stay here for 2 hours. 2 hours. No Wi-Fi. That is extremely boring. But yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Gotta get ourselves comfortable.